Demands on knowledge in the workplace are constantly increasing. That's why continuous learning is essential. This also applies to BSH. We are part of the Bosch Group and one of the world's leading home appliance manufacturers. We provide more than 65,000 trainings online and offline to our employees worldwide every year. That's in 50 different countries and to more than 60,000 people.
Our aim is to create one single platform for all trainings. This reduces costs and provides transparency to meet EU regulations. We decided to implement the cloud-based learning management system SAP SuccessFactors together with the digital learning experts from TTS.
The big challenge in this project was the tight timeline and that all employees have access immediately to the learning platform. However, BSH is a decentralized company and we want to replace more than 40 learning management systems. Our big initial rollout was only the start.
We involve people at an early stage to get their buy-in for the journey. Over the month, we ran more than 40 workshops to review learning processes together with TTS.
The effort was worth it. We were able to keep the timeline and stay on budget. TTS repeatedly demonstrated a great deal of expertise and experience. This and their enthusiastic spirit helped us to find solid workarounds for some system limitations. All global training courses in 14 languages are now in the cloud. We have complete transparency on which trainings our employees did and which trainings are overdue.
Together with TTS, we've launched a globally available, highly functional learning hub. To learn and grow will empower us to embrace change and make progress as an organization. Because the success of our company goes hand in hand with the knowledge of our people.